How to use ACECode. ACECode is a blockly programming tool developed by ACEBOTT STEM Education Tech Co. Limited. Users can easily code by dragging and dropping blocks without needing to master complex coding languages. ACECode includes all the features of mainstream graphical coding, allowing users to fully experience scratch coding within the software. For more advanced coding operations, ACECode also provides support. Additionally, ACECode has a Robotics Module that facilitates the development of robot coding projects. Currently, ACECode supports two robot coding modes, online mode and upload mode. Online mode allows users to create coding projects that interact with both software and hardware. Online mode also supports real-time debugging for an efficient coding experience. After debugging in online mode, you can switch to upload mode to transfer your program to the main control board. In upload mode, corresponding C and Python code are generated simultaneously to meet different user needs. Click the Upload button to upload the program. Once it reaches 100%, the program runs independently on the control board without needing a computer. ACECode also offers extensive AI capabilities, enabling the development of various AI projects. Moreover, ACECode introduces additional features to make coding easier. 1. Block search. By typing a block's keyword in the input box, you can quickly find its location. 2. Backpack. Drag frequently used blocks into the backpack to save them, and easily retrieve them the next time you need them. 3. Screenshot blocks. Save all block programs in the workspace as a PNG image on your device. 4. Hide block directory. Hide the block directory on the left to expand the visible workspace area. 5. Resize code area. Adjust the size of the code visible area by dragging the divider between the block and code sections. Now ACECode also has the latest features. 1. Preset sample programs. Jumpstart your projects with preset sample programs designed to simplify the coding process. 2. Tutorial button. Directly access and download tutorials for all ACEBOTT coding kits from our official website. You can click the Download Tutorial button to download the corresponding course resources. 3. Data chart feature. Access real-time data, like weather information, sensor value changes, to use in your projects, making coding more interactive.